All right, let's show you a really cool shot coming up over Hamul this morning. I think this just looks like the space station out there with those patchy marine layer clouds down below and then those antennas kind of peeking on through. It is fairly comfortable this morning. Temperatures mostly in the 60s, though we do have a few more 70s like in downtown and in Chula Vista. Let's talk about the winds. So I'm going to fast forward our wind futurecast through tomorrow because that's when we're going to see the peak winds. It won't be a necessarily strong wind event, but it's going to be so hot, it's going to be dry, and the brush out there is so dry. That's why we're going to be at critical fire conditions for several hours tomorrow. Could see occasional winds in the foothill and mountain areas, that highlighted part, up to about 30, maybe 35 miles per hour. In addition to that, it is also going to be pretty dry, mostly away from our coastline. Most humidity levels could dip down to about 10%. I think most areas will stay in the teens, but either way, the hot, dry, and occasional gusty conditions will lead to dangerous and critical fire conditions. If a fire starts, it will be able to spread quickly. An excessive heat warning begins inland through the deserts at 10 a.m. today. The coast joins them at 10 a.m. tomorrow. And I am looking at the potential for all-time record high temperatures. I've actually nudged up our temperatures a bit, so it's not out of the question that we could get close to that Escondido, El Cajon, Campo, Poway, and Alpine temperatures. And by Monday, Borrego Springs is going to get awfully close to that 122 all-time record high. So along the coast, the closer you get to the beach will mostly be in the 90s, but just a few miles inland, we are expecting to see triple digits, especially tomorrow. Inland neighborhoods, Saturday and Sunday is when the heat peaks. We'll be nearing in on 110. Do expect to see some areas reaching that 110 mark. Overnight temperatures also getting quite a bit warmer in the 70s. The mountain areas will be in the 90s and triple digits this weekend. Areas like Warner Springs and Campo, temperatures are going to be well into the 100s, 110 plus. And the desert areas nearing in on 120 all weekend long. And I will look ahead to next week. We could see another Santa Ana wind setup. So we're definitely getting into fire season. It's best to prepare now.